Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your ball trajectory on Rocket League Bacchus mod. So all you need to do is have Bacchus mod already installed. If you don't know how to install it, just go ahead and check out my video in the description below. Now after you will have Bacchus mod, you need to have a specific plugin. So you want to go to bacchusplugins.com and you want to write down Predictator Ball Prediction. So this works, of course, only in free play, replays, and some trading packs. So to install it, you will need to go ahead and click install with Bacchus mod. You want to be Rocket League to be opened and also Bacchus mod too. So you want to click open plugin installer just like so. Now it will install with CMD, and once you will see success, then you can close it. Then go back to Rocket League and open up your Bacchus mod by pressing F2, for example, for me, and then on plugins, it should be here, Predictator, like so, and all you need to do is just basically turn it on, just like so. You can also do this specifically when you are, for example, in training. Let's go ahead and launch it. Now, as it is already turned on, you will see it here. As you can see, the trajectory is showing. So that's pretty much it, how it works. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.